My dear student, in last period we solved the chit chat activity unit 3.4 The Two Gentlemen of Verona. The story around the two boys. The name of two boys is Nicola and Jacopo. Now let us start to read or explain the story The Two Gentlemen of Verona. Nicola and Jacopo, who do numbers only to pay their sister treatment who suffer from tuberculosis of the spine. The story begins with narrator driving down the foothills of the Alps. Here is when he first encountered the two brothers selling wild strawberries. Even after the driver forbids the narrator to buy the wild fruits, he buys the biggest basket and drives towards the town. Between the narrator and the two boys. Next day, the boys are found shining shoes in the public square. This amazes the narrator. This is when they reveal the fact that they do numerous kinds of things to earn money. Here the narrator is shown to develop a soft corner for them in his heart. He finds them to be innocent, serious, pleasant and earnest. The boys are very useful to the narrator. They are very willingly to satisfy all that the narrator requires. They are also found selling newspapers by the narrator one stormy night. One day when the narrator asks if he can't help them in any, they say they will be very grateful if they get a lift to the nearby village Potelta. Although it doesn't come in the narrator's way, he takes them there. The boys get down in a building and ask the narrator to wait in a nearby cafe until they return within an hour. Eagerness leads the narrator to follow the boys up to a palace which is actually a hospital. On peeping though a room led by a nurse, he realized that boys are taking to a girl who resembles them. He does not feel like intruding and thus asks the nurse the details about the boys. This is when the nurse tells him they heard about their father being killed in a war and their home being destroyed in the war and their sister suffering from tuberculosis. The brothers live in a shelter and literally starve only so that they can pay for their sister's treatment. So keeping a secret and helping their sisters, they have shown that war has not shaken their spirit. They are noble and gentle and great human beings in their own special yet subtle way. This story distinctly takes about how true the amplification says. Where there is will, there is a. Now the student, we should read the story and explain it. The Two Gentlemen of Verona, the story revolves around the two boys named Nicola and Jacopo who do numerous things to earn money only to pay their sister treatment who suffer from tuberculosis of the spine. We see the heart-touching story and kind-hearted two brothers. Now we explain the hard words in this story. questions and the English workshop. First, we see the hard words. Carve an idea. Create or establish an idea. Encounter. Meet face to face unexpectedly. Forbids. Dissallows. Emphasize. Press upon. Intimacy. Close relationship. Reveal. Show. Make known. Resemble. Have a similar appearance. Introduce. Come to a place where one is uninvited. Heart rending. Causing great sorrow.